What the fuck is up, YouTube? It's RPBMX here. Today I'm doing a bike check. Alright, I'm riding an '09 Kink Rock. It's got the Kink handlebars. It's got the stock Kink forks. Stock Kink hub, laced to an Alienation Black Sheep rim with a cheapo front tire, stock stem, running volume grips, volume bar ends, Kink pivotal seat, Kink stock seat post, stock seat clamp, Welgo pedals, Kink two-piece pillar cranks, stock sprocket. I will be ordering some parts tomorrow. They'll be here on Friday, so I'm pretty stoked about that. Moving on to the back, stock cassette wheel laced to an Alienation Delinquent rim with an Animal GLH tire. Let's see, I will be ordering the Shadow Interlock 2 chain, black. Odyssey Dirt Path tire for the front, and Odyssey Path tire for the back. Animal Lino G pegs, and an FBM hub guard. So I bought the bike off a friend. As you can see, he bought it from Off-Road Peddler here in Houston. So the back end is super light, which I'm stoked on. I can do nose manuals way easy. So just gotta change up some parts on it, and I should be good to go. I will hit you guys with a new vid probably this weekend once I get the parts on. So rate, comment, subscribe. Alright guys, I will see y'all later. Peace.